been an amazing year. We've grown from 8 students the first year to 24 the second year to 60. I think we're at 62. A few got jobs, so ended up with like 50 something this year. The kids this year got to learn many skills, from leatherwork to creating their own custom shirts to pinstriping to, of course, tearing down their bikes. You know, they got a bike, they got to learn how to tear it down. They got to learn what tools are, what tools to use in these certain things. So everything in this class is about using these things.
This program not only teaches kids all the basics that they need to know in terms of fabrication, math, science when you're mixing the paints, all these things. And so I was able to secure the money, and the mayor absolutely 100% supportive. These wonderful gentlemen, women have come in and really put their heart and soul into it.